1-4. Use the angle addition postulate. Number 12. Find the indicated angle measurement. Let's look at A here. They say angle RST is equal to, make sure you understand that's an equal to, 114 degrees. You want to find this angle of RSV. So this entire thing of R to S to T, this entire angle is 114. So let's write angle RST is equal to, what are those two angles making it up? We have R, S, then V, which is in red, angle R, S, and V. Then we have the angle of VST, VST, plus angle VST. So we have what angle RST is, that's 114. We don't know what angle RSV is, and we know in the problem that VST is given as 72. So to do this, we subtract 72 to both sides. Okay, so now you can do 114 minus 72. That gets us 42 degrees, equaling the angle measurement of RSV. Make sure you set up that equation first. Let's look at B here. Angle LMN is a straight angle, so let me color code that for you. Angle LMN, which is straight, that means it totals 180 degrees. Okay, so angle LMN is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, is that what it's asking for here? Yep, okay. All right. Then it is made up of two angles of LMP. So this is going to be equal to that angle of LMP plus the other angle of PMN, angle PMN. All right, so LMN, we know that that's 180. That's going to be equal to the LMN angle, LMP angle, which is negative 16x plus 13, plus the other angle, which is blue, which is negative 20x plus 23. Let's combine some like terms and solve. Nothing happens to the 180, so we bring that down. Negative 16 and negative 20 gets us negative 36x. 13 plus 23 is 36. Okay, subtract 36 to both sides because we're trying to get the variable alone. So 180 minus 36, that gets us 144. And this is going to be equal to negative 36x. Now we want to divide by negative 36 to both sides to get x alone. This should cross out. So we have 144 divided by negative 36 gets us a negative 4 here. That's going to be equal to x. We're not done. We're trying to solve for that angle here. So let's rewrite the angle. Angle LMP is equal to negative 16x plus 13. We know what the x is, so let's just plug that in. Okay, negative 16 parentheses, that negative 4 is plugged in, plus 13. Okay, negative 16 times negative 4. That gets us a positive here 64 plus 13. So we add that together. That gets us 64 plus 13 is 77. Angle LMP is equal to 77 degrees. Then let me move this over a bit here so we can work with the blue angle here of LPN. So PMN is equal to negative 20x plus 23. We're also trying to find that. So negative 20, we want to plug in our negative 4 for x. Okay, so that's what the equation is when we plug in negative 4 for x. So we do negative 20 times negative 4, which just gets us a positive 80, plus 3. This gets us 83 for angle PMN. So this angle here is 83 degrees. And then this angle here, which is 77 degrees. If you add those together, that gets us negative. No, this is wrong. That adds up to 60. Something's wrong here. Okay, I spot the error. So I wrote negative 20x plus 3. It's right here, plus 23, plus 23. Okay, so that was the mistake. I was like, all the algebra was right. Okay, so I copied it wrong. So it's plus 23 here. All right, that was the mistake. So let me fix that. Plus 23. Okay, so 80 plus 23 is 103. Okay, that makes more sense here. Okay, so it's 103 degrees. So this should be 103 degrees. So if you add 77 plus 103, that should get you 180. 77 plus 103 gets us 180. See, that's how you can double check your work, okay? All right, good job. All right, let's look at C here, okay? So angle C, it tells us that this entire angle of X, Y, Z, this whole thing is equal to 117. So this angle of X, Y, Z is made up of two smaller angles. You have X, Y, W, which is this one. So angle X, Y, W plus the smaller angle of W, Y, Z. So angle W, Y, Z. All right. So we can now plug in our values. 117 is X, Y, Z. Then the red of X, Y, W is 66x plus 44 plus angle WYZ, which is negative 10x plus 65. Okay, bring in down the 117. 6x plus negative 10x is negative 4x. 44 plus 66 is, 44 plus 65 is 109. Okay, subtract 109 to both sides. Okay, so we have 117 subtract 109. That gets us 8 equals to negative 4x. So divide this by negative 4, divide this by negative 4. We get x is equal to negative 2. All right, so we have x though. But our goal is to get those angles. So we have to rewrite the equation for those angles. Let's do the red one first. So we have angle of XYW is equal to 6x plus 44. All we do is we plug in the x as negative 2. And that should get us our missing values. So 6 times negative 2 should get us negative 12 plus 44. Gets us 32 degrees. So this angle here is 32 degrees. All right, angle XYW is 32 degrees. All right, let me move this over a little bit. Okay, and we want to now find the other angle, which is in blue. That is angle WYZ. That is negative 10x plus 65. The x here is what? Negative 2. We add that here, 65. So negative 10 times negative 2 is 20. And then we add that to 65. This looks like it's 85. Okay, that's what angle WYZ is. We might be wrong, but we can always double check. This is 85. So add 85 plus 32. That gets 117, which is the entire thing. That's how we know we did it correct.